What if I told you this tiny bronze coin, a 1975 Singapore 1 cent, could be worth $34 million? Today, we're diving deep into this coin's history, its true market value, myths, and how scams get started in the coin world. Stay tuned. Hit that like button if you love rare coins and treasure stories. This is the Singapore 1 cent coin from 1975, tiny, bronze, and originally worth just 0.01 Singapore dollars. Its diameter is about 17.8 mm, weight approximate 1.94 g, and until 1985 was part of Singapore's Marine Series coins, designed to celebrate the island nation's rapid growth and urban identity. These coins were everyday pocket change, not rare treasures, at least not originally. Faronum, an asterisk overlay text asterisk, Marine Series, bronze 24,226,000 minted. Host asterisk in fact, and this is key, over 24 million of these coins were minted in 1975 alone. That's a lot of coins. Faronum, screenshot of a clickbait listing, fictional/animated, coin dealer messengers, search engines. So where did the $34.23 million price tag come from? Answer asterisk it didn't. Not from official auctions, not from any certified numismatic database. This figure is almost certainly from a clickbait listing or scam advert designed to attract attention, not reflect reality. Real market data shows typical values in the fraction of a dollar range, even for high grades. Faronum, 1. If someone tells you your old penny is worth millions, that might be good for views, but terrible for your wallet. Price charts, coin auction clips, Numista listings. According to real coin catalogs and collector markets, in 1975 Singapore 1 cent typically sells for under $1 USD, even in uncirculated condition. That's right, not hundreds, not thousands, and certainly not millions. Faronum, condition approximate value, USD. Circulated $0.15, $0.30. Uncirculated $0.50, $1.00 plus. These coins are collectible due to their age and place in Singapore's numismatic story, but they're not ultra-rare like some celebrity coins or mint mistakes. Kissing face, web ads, coin marketplaces, comments threads. Scammers often exploit the excitement around coins, especially when people inherit collections or find jars of old change. They slap on outrageous prices or claims like worth millions to lure clicks, messages, and sometimes deposits. But remember, all that glitters is not gold. Always check trusted sources. Ask certified graders like PCGS, NGC, or reputable auction results before believing sky-high values. Singapore streets, old historical footage, graphics of coin design. This coin was minted during Singapore's early years as an independent nation. The obverse shows the denomination flanked by rice stalks, symbolizing prosperity. Numista 3. The reverse features a public housing block, representing community progress. Old Coin Online 4. While not rare, coins like this are history, tiny time capsules of Singapore's economic story. Slab coins, lighting, grading tools. If you do want to find real value in old coins, here are my top tips. Get a coin grader to authenticate. Look for mint errors. Those could be genuinely rare. Compare to auction results, not random ads. Learn condition grading. Slight where it can have a coin's value. Example voiceover showing good versus bad condition coins. Coins aren't magic. Their value comes from scarcity, demand, and collector interest. Host holding coin, subscribe button to SO in reality. This 1975 Singapore 1 cent is interesting and collectible, but not worth $34 million. If you love uncovering coin stories, hit subscribe and comment below what coin you think might actually be worth millions. Asterisk final line asterisk. Keep chasing the truth behind the treasure.